In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a request on Airbnb. If you've sent a booking request and need to change your plans, Airbnb makes it fairly simple to withdraw that request before it becomes a confirmed reservation. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to look for so you can do it quickly and avoid confusion. Start by going to Airbnb in your web browser or open the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet. Once you're there, log into your Airbnb account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you've used more than one account in the past, since your trip and request information will only appear under the account that made the request. After logging in, go to the Trips section. This is where Airbnb keeps your current and upcoming travel activity, including pending requests and confirmed bookings. In Trips, find the specific trip or request that you want to cancel, then select it to open the details. Once you're inside that request, look for an option labeled Show Details or Manage Reservation. The wording can vary a little depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but both options will take you to the area where you can manage that booking request. From there, select Withdraw Request or Cancel Request. Again, Airbnb may use slightly different wording depending on the stage of the request, but the purpose is the same. You're removing your pending request before it's finalized. After choosing that option, Airbnb will ask you to confirm the cancellation, review the prompt carefully, then confirm to complete the process. One important thing to keep in mind is that this only applies to a request that has not yet been accepted by the host. If the host has already accepted the reservation, then you're no longer canceling a request. You're canceling a reservation instead. In that case, any refund you may receive will depend on the host's cancellation policy, so it's a good idea to read those details before confirming. If you're having trouble finding the right option or something on your screen looks different, you can also manage your booking through Airbnb's Help Center. That can be useful if the app layout has changed or if you need extra support during the cancellation process. And that's how to cancel a request